Greetings and assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great. First of all, Eid Mubarak to all of you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run the to-do application, which is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Basically, these are the front-end programming languages, excluding the HTML. HTML is not a programming language, but it is basically a markup language. Okay, so I have made the to-do application using this program stack, and I will be deploying this application on Tomcat Server. Okay, so for this demo, I will create a new Ubuntu EC2 instance, and then after that, I will upgrade the server. Then I will install the Java JDK version, and then I will install the Apache Tomcat version. Okay, so I will be using the previous older version, which is 9.0.102, but you can use the updated one, which is Tomcat 10 or Tomcat 11. Okay, so then we will change and give the permissions to all the script files. Basically, for running and stopping the Tomcat, we have to give the permission, and then we will start and stop the script file so that we can see the Tomcat home page. As we can see that we will start the Tomcat web server service and access the home page of Tomcat. Okay, by default it runs on port 8080, so we have to add this rule or port in our security group. Okay, then we will create a recursive directory. Recursive means that we will create a parent and a child directory where we will create these three files. I will show you this in the demo, and then we will access the to-do application using this URL hierarchy. Okay, so for demo purpose, let's just jump into AWS account, and I will show you how you can create a server and then install the rest of the steps and configure the Tomcat application server. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm in my AWS account, and let me just go to EC2, and let's just launch the new instance. And for demo purpose, let me just give it a proper name, which will be Tomcat Todo-App. Okay, so I have given the name, and AMI I will be using will be Ubuntu, which will be the 24.04 LTS version, and instance type would be a T2 micro, which is more than enough. And keep here, let me just see if I can use. You can see I can use the existing one, because in the last few videos I have demonstrated how you can create a new keep here and access Windows as well as in Linux server. And network setting, let me just select my own VPC. Okay, as the earlier, I have told you that we have to create a new security group. Let me just give it a name as Tomcat SG. Okay, one rule which will be is 22 for accessing the server, and let me just give a new port which will be 8080. This is for basically a Tomcat. Let me just write it down here, and source will be from anywhere, and then we are good to go, and then launch instance. Okay, as you can see that I have successfully installed the launched the instance, and let's just. Okay, so this is the Tomcat server that I have created, and let me just go to connect option, SSH client, and then copy this entire command, and let me just open my mobile system. So as you can see that I have created open my mobile system, and let me just enter this command so that I will be able to access my Ubuntu EC2 instances. So first of all, let me just change its name, update and upgrade the server. Okay. Okay, so welcome back. I have updated the server name and update and upgrade the server. And let me just, so this is the command for downloading and installing the Open JDK 17. Basically, this is the Java JDK 17 version. In order to run and install and run the Tomcat, we have to install the Java first as a dependency. Okay, so once Java has been installed, let's just paste the command and see what is the Java version. As you can see, it is showing the 17.0.14, which means that the Java 17 version has been successfully installed. Now let me just show you how you can install the Apache Tomcat. Okay, so first we have to change into OPT directory, paste it here, and it will take hardly 1 and 2 minutes to install the Tomcat. Once it is done, I will show you what needs to be configured next. Okay, once it is installed, let me just paste the commands. Basically, it will extract the Apache Tomcat installed versions. Then it will move directly from this Apache to Tomcat. Then we will be changing the ownership from root to normal user, which will be Ubuntu. And then we are going to give the permission of the entire directory. And then we will start this script, which will be startup.sh. Once this startup.sh runs, we will see the home page of Tomcat. Okay, and then enter. As you can see that the Tomcat has been started, and let's just go back to the server is console. Let me just paste the IP first. IP along with port 8080. You will see the Apache Tomcat default home page. Now, what I am going to do next is just to create a HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file. I will show live how you can create with the nano editor and paste some content inside to it. So we are done with these steps right now, and we will create a recursive directory, and I will show you which directory I was talking about. Okay, so let me just clear the screen, and this is the basically the hierarchy which I was talking about. I'm inside the OPT directory, and the Tomcat and webapps and slash Todo-App will be made along with the hyphen p. Basically it indicates the parent directory. So let me just enter and just show you tree. Oh, I need to install first. Sudo install tree cd Tomcat, and then let's just write tree. Okay, I just need to ls cd webapps ls cd to do, and then if I type tree here. Okay, so I'm inside the this directory, print working directory, and I will create these three files, nano index.html, and then I will paste the index.html file content. And let me just show you the content. Basically, this is the HTML, and copy down, paste it here. Okay, Control X, Y, index.html. Just like index.html, I will create another file which will be styles.css, and then paste the CSS content, which will start from body tag, paste it here, and save it as it is. One more file we have to create is script.js, and then let's just paste the content of the JavaScript file, and then paste it here, and let's just save it this file, and let's just see how many files we have. As you can see that we have these three files, and let's just stop the Tomcat service and restart it. Okay, so I have stopped the Tomcat service using this command, and let me just clear the screen again, and let's just change the script name as the startup.sh, and then see that the Tomcat has been started. This hierarchy, and then see if this thing will be, we can access it or not. So as you can see right now that the to-do application has been successfully deployed using on Tomcat application. Let's just write Linux, Docker, Ansible, Terraform, Kubernetes, Jenkins, CI, CD, Argo CD, and you can add your favorite tools that you want to do later on or right now. Okay, so I hope this is the video that this is. I hope you enjoyed this video, and inshallah, I will definitely come up with the exciting ideas or topics related to cloud and DevOps. Okay, thank you so much, everyone, and Allah Hafiz.